Whether you're working as part of a traineeship or studying in Europe, the Erasmus Grant is available to all UK, EU and international students. Contributing towards the extra costs encountered from studying or working abroad, the Erasmus Grant isn't means tested and is paid to students in 2 lump sums. Let's take a look at what you need to do in order to get your first grant payment prior to going on your study exchange abroad. All students are required to take the university's online pre-departure module before they go abroad. Students studying or working in a foreign language are also required to take an online language system (OLS) test. Details will be emailed to relevant students directly. All forms will be sent to your student email account and should be returned to the Erasmus team at Sheffield Hallam University. Prioritise your grant agreement. This must be returned as soon as possible and before you start your mobility. The highlighted sections are populated with your data. The duration of your study exchange will impact the grant you receive, so check the dates carefully and email the team if there are any errors. Complete your bank details, date and sign. The learning agreement confirms your personal details, the modules you would have studied at Sheffield Hallam University, and outlines your study plan overseas. Check the pre-populated data in the first section. In this next section, Study Programme at the Receiving Institution, list the modules you would have studied at Sheffield Hallam. This information can be found on My Hallam. You will also be required to list ECTS credits, equivalent to half of Sheffield Hallam's CATS credits. Moving on to recognition at the sending institution, list the modules you'll study whilst overseas. Make sure your learning agreement is signed by you, your Faculty Erasmus Coordinator and the Overseas University. Return to the Erasmus team at Sheffield Hallam within a month of starting your study period. Delays may result in not receiving your grant. If you're doing a study exchange followed by a work placement, you'll need to complete this process twice as you'll be receiving 2 grants and there may be an overlap. You'll also need to complete a training agreement. When completing forms, please ensure all signatures are either a scan of a real signature or a handwritten. And when returning to the Erasmus team, please scan the documents, pictures won't be accepted. And if you have any questions about the Erasmus Grant process, please get in touch with the team.